Good afternoon once again.
Good afternoon.
Akinwumi Mileju by name. Now, today on the topic, discuss the mechanism of action, uses and side effects of morphine and other opiates. Now, morphine is considered the class opioid analgesic with which other painkiller are compared. Like other medication in this class, morphine has a affinity for delta, kappa, and mu opioid receptor. This drug produces most analgesic effects by binding to the mu opioid receptor within the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The net effect of morphine is the activation of descending inhibitory pathway of the CNS as well as inhibition of the receptive apparent neuron of the PNS, which leads to an overall reduction of nociceptive transmission. Opioid receptors are key players in pain modulation in the central nervous system, mediating function such as pain relief and euphoria. While opioids like morphine and heroin are potent painkillers, they also carry risk of addiction, tolerance, and dependence. Opioids are a class of drugs derived directly from the opium poppy plant, Papaver somniferum. They include natural alkaloids like morphine, codeine, and thebaine. Mechanism: opioids bind to opioid receptor in the brain, spinal cord, and other tissue, reducing pain perception, inducing apnea, and cause sedation. Example, you have morphine, codeine, and their general characteristics: natural origin from opium, high effective for pain, but carry risk of dependence, tolerance, and overdose. Regulated a controlled substance due to abuse potential. Then there are uses: pain management, acute, chronic, or palliative, anesthesia, treatment of opioid dependence. Then we talk about their mechanism of action. Opiates, including morphine, exert their effect primarily by binding to opioid receptor, which are G protein coupled receptor located in the central and peripheral nervous system. The three opioid receptor subtypes are mu, kappa, and delta, are widely distributed in the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral tissue. Morphine are mostly clinical use opiates, predominantly act as agonists at the mu opioid receptor, which mediates analgesia, euphoria, and other effects upon binding. Opiates inhibits adenylyl cyclase, reducing cyclic AMP level, and modulates ion channel, hyperpolarizing neuron by increasing potassium conductance and decreasing calcium influence. This results in reduced neurotransmitter release and attenuates pain signal transmission, particularly in the dorsal horn of the spinal cord. Beyond analgesia, mu opioid receptor activation in the brain's reward pathway such as the ventral tegmental area and nucleus accumbens increase dopamine level, contributing to the euphoric and addictive properties of opiates. Synthetic opiates such as fentanyl and semi-synthetic opiates like oxycodone share similar mechanism but varies in potency and receptor affinity, influencing their clinical profile. In interaction with opiate receptor type, we have morphine and other opiates primarily act on opiate receptor, which are G protein coupled receptor. There are three main types. We have the mu opioid receptor, kappa opioid receptor, and delta opioid receptor. Then their location. Opioid receptors are distributed in the central nervous system, e.g. brain, spinal cord, then peripheral nervous system, and other tissue. e.g. gastrointestinal tract, immune cell. In the brain, high concentrations are found in areas like the periadyctal brain, thalamus, amygdala, thalamus, amygdala, and locus coeruleus, which regulate pain, reward, and autonomy function. Then agonist action. Morphine and most opioids are full agonists of mu opioid receptor, meaning they bind and fully activate this receptor to produce their effect. Some opioids are partial agonists, producing a slim effect on certain responses like respiratory depression. Signal transition, we have the G protein activation, ion channel modulation, that is potassium channel. Activation of G protein coupled inwardly rectifying potassium channel causes potassium reflux, hyperpolarizing neurons and reducing their firing rate. Calcium channel, increasing of voltage gauge calcium channel reduce calcium influx, decreasing neurotransmitter release, that is glutamate substance P. Inhibition of pain pathway. In the spinal cord, morphine inhibits the release of excitatory neurotransmitter, e.g. substance P, from primary afferent neuron, reducing pain signal transmission to the brain. Then in the brain, activation of descending inhibitory pathway, e.g. via the PAG and the rostral ventromedial medulla, enhance the release of inhibitory neurotransmitter like serotonin and norepinephrine, further suppressing pain. Modulation of pain perspective. Peripheral, reduce inflammation induced pain by inhibiting peripheral nociceptor sensitization. Then spinal, block ascending pain signal in the dorsal horn of the spinal cord. Then we have the reward and addiction pathway. Morphine-erotic effects are mediated by the mesolimbic dopamine pathway. Mu opioid receptor activation in the ventral tegmental area inhibit GABAergic interneurons, leading to increased dopamine release in the nucleus organs. Then we have pharmacokinetic, talk about absorption, distribution, metabolism, and elimination. Now, morphine is absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract with peak analgesic effect occurring about 60 minutes after administration. However, its oral bioavailability is less than 40% due to significant first pass metabolism in the liver. Another morphine in construct bypass intrathecal morphine in construct bypass first pass metabolism, directly entering the cerebrospinal fluid with slow absorption from the spinal cord into the systemic circulation, ensuring prolonged analgesia. Then the distribution. Systemic morphine is widely distributed to the tissue, including the liver, kidney, intestine, the lungs, skeletal muscle. Morphine crosses the blood-brain barrier, but in limited amount due to its low lipophilicity. Morphine also crosses the placental barrier and is excreted in breast milk. The volume of distribution rate ranges from 1 to 6 liter per kg, with 20% to 35% reversibly bound to plasma protein. Intrathecal morphine binds effectively to spinal receptor, concentrating analgesic effect in the spinal cord while minimizing systemic redistribution. Intercranial route ensures sustained action within the spinal cord with delayed systemic effect such as respiratory depression, typically manifesting 6 to 12 hours post-administration. Then we talk about the metabolism. Morphine undergo extensive hepatic metabolism and is primarily metabolized orally through conjugation with D-glucuronic acid to form morphine 3 glucuronic and morphine 6 glucuronide. The morphine 6 glucuronide metabolite has analgesic activity but poor blood-brain barrier penetration, while morphine 3 glucuronide has no significant analgesic effect. A small fraction undergoes demethylation. Elimination. Morphine is excreted in urine as glucuronide metabolite, with approximately 10% excreted unexchanged. Some metabolites are excreted in bile, where minor heterohepatic recycling occurs. The plasma clearance of morphine is around 20 to 30 meters per minute per kg. After intravenous administration, its terminal half-life is typically 2 hours. Extended release formulation, such as extended release epidural morphine, use liposomal encapsulation to delay peak concentration in the cerebrospinal fluid, providing up to 48 hours of analgesia with a single dose. Then the pharmacodynamic effect. Opiates produce a range of effects due to their widespread receptor distribution in the brain, the spinal cord, and peripheral tissue. Key effects include: 1. Analgesia. Opiates are highly effective for moderate to moderate severe pain, post-operative cancer-related or acute injury. They modulate pain by supraspinal analgesia, spinal analgesia, and peripheral analgesia. Then euphoria and reward. More receptor activation is in the mesolimbic dopamine pathway, that is ventral tegment area of the nucleus. Increase dopamine release, producing euphoria. This underlies the high abuse potential of opiates as it reinforces drug-seeking behavior. We have the respiratory depression, sedation, gastrointestinal effects like constipation, nausea, and vomiting. Then pupil constriction, then other effects like cough suppression, pruritus, endocrine effect, and immune depression. Comparison with other opiates. Other opiates such as phenethylamine have adequate solubility, allowing faster onset and shorter duration of action compared to morphine. Oxycodone, with better oral bioavailability, is often preferred for chronic pain management. Now, there are therapeutic use. Medical uses of morphine and opiate. We have pain management. We have acute pain, chronic pain, and palliative care. Then we have the anesthesia and sedation, that is for operative sedation, adjunct in anesthesia. Then we have management of acute condition. Now that we have myocardial infarction, that is heart attack. Morphine is used to release severe chest pain and reduce anxiety, which can lower oxygen demand on the heart. Then we have pulmonary edema, then burn and trauma. Then it is also used for cough suppression, diarrhea control, opioid replacement therapy. Then we have the non-medical historical use. Recreational use. Opiates include morphine, heroin, and prescription drugs like oxycodone, and abuse for their horrific effects. This is a major public health issue contributing to the opioid epidemic, with millions of overdose deaths globally. Heroin, a semi-synthetic opiate derived from morphine, is primarily used illicitly for its intense high. Then we have historical and cultural, that is traditional medicine, 19th century medicine, the literary and archery inspiration. Other opiates and their specific use, like phentermine, used in anesthesia, transdermal patch for chronic pain, and as an illicit drug, highly potent, contributing to overdose. We have oxycodone, common for moderate to pain, common for moderate to severe pain, often in control released from life. Oxycontin. Then we have the hydrocodone, we have the tramadol, and we have the heroin. Current trends and challenge. Opioid epidemic. Over prescription of drugs like oxycodone is in the late 1990s and 2020s fueled widespread addiction, with fentanyl now driving overdose deaths, e.g. over 70,000 US deaths in 2021. Alternatively, non-opioid pain management, e.g. NSAID, NASDOC, or neurotransmitter, is increasingly emphasized to reduce reliance on opiates. Then we talk about the side effects. Common side effects. Opiates are associated with a range of side effects, including nausea, vomiting, constipation, and sedation. Constipation mediated by mood receptor activation in the gastrointestinal tract is near universal with chronic use. Nausea and vomiting occur in approximately 20 to 30% of patients initiating opioid therapy submission. Then respiratory depression, tolerance and dependence, opioid-induced hyperalgesia. Then other adverse effects like opioid may cause pruritus, urine retention, and hormonal imbalance, including hypogonadism due to suppression of the hypothalamic pituitary axis. Cognitive impairment and delirium are concerned in elderly patients. Opioid crisis and public health implications. The widespread use of opiates has contributed to the opioid crisis, characterized by rising rates of addiction, overdose, and mortality. In the United States, opioid-related deaths increased from 21,088 in 2010 to 80,401 in 2021. Then, strategy for safe opioid use. Risk assessment and monitoring, adjunctive therapy, opioid sparing techniques, patient education, ethical consideration, future direction. Research is ongoing to develop non-addictive analgesic that target opioid receptor or alternative pain pathway. Novel engine, such as biased moon receptor antagonists, aim to provide analgesia without respiratory depression or addictive potential. Then conclusion. Morphine and other opiates have played a significant role in medicine due to their potent analgesic property, providing essential pain relief for patients with severe and chronic conditions. However, their use comes with substantial risk, including dependence, addiction, and potentially further respiratory depression. The ongoing opioid crisis highlights the urgent need for a balanced approach in prescribing this drug, emphasizing strict regulation, alternative pain management strategy, and increased public awareness. Thank you.
What is the someone tell me the one of the commonest side effects or call it adverse effect of opioids? you should watch out for? Just one. Who will tell me? Hmm? Adverse effects. Tell me.
Sir,
What is the effect of opiates? What is the effect on respiration?
situation,
Respiration.
depression.
Depression. I don't think most of us in fact, we are tired. Sure? You're not following. And it doesn't make sense. You are not okay. Let me just settle. Any question for him? I think he has tried his best. But there's something I want to tell you. On your work, you're doing more of. You look at it. Most times your eye was on. When you're listening, most times on your work, it's not what I'm saying. It's presentation. I remember I said I'm not following the normal pattern for presentation. I just want us to. I just want to create an avenue where we go through all these things at once. That's why, if it's for presentation, no, you don't do that. You stand up and talk. Even if you want to look at your material, you can just look at it for direction, then continue saying what you are saying. But I just ignore because this what I do is not presentation. I just want us to, research on these things and come up with something. Yes, but it's in general you did extensive work. Let me look at your. Okay, this thing is not alphabetical order anyway. But I don't like this numbering. You just start with you don't number it. You follow the alphabetical after B, C, after C, D, after D, F, G. It follow the last one is W. If you follow this is how to, but that numbering should not be there. That's all. All these things. Hello. Hope you are listening. After this whole thing now, I will now sit down. If I bring your own video, of course I'll post all these things. That one is there. Share the link. But if I score it now, I'll get your own video. Sit down with your own work. Listen to your video again and score your video. I'm not even scoring. It's when I'm not cool. That when I will sleep and wake up, I will not pick one after the other. I'm scoring what you did. After scoring it, I'm not scoring your work. So everything you are doing here, take it seriously. And I told you, those things you are sending in the group, make sure you read it because questions must come out from them. There's no truth about it. All right, thank you very much. God bless you.